Hey class, this is the Spring 3. In this demo, I will talk about three things. First is the goal I set in this Spring 3. Then I will give you a user interface demo to show how the function works. And in the end, I will point out the current challenges faced by me and the future improvement. So now let's begin with the first part. In this sprint, I set one goal is to create a login interface which requires the user to type the correct account username and password in order to access to a next level user interface. So that means I need to connect the login user UI to the next level UI and also store the account information in the database. So let's move on to the second part, the user interface demo. First, I have to apologize since this computer resolution is high, so the program looks very small. I try to make it bigger, like. So now this is the login UI. It's called login authentication, and in this first field is a username field, and the second field is a password field, and this is the login button. So if we just type randomly, we won't be able to log in successfully. It says a wrong password username. So I have assigned an account so I can log in. So after I get in, this is the Diary UI is the main UI. Today is March 22, so this program can always know today's date and just go to this page, go to today's page, a corresponding date. And I just typed something before I open this program, so it says save it now. This was I tapped before, and then we can add something new, like it is late and I need finish it soon. And then when I finish typing and I need to save this, I have to push the button save and click yes. If I don't click yes or click something else, I won't close this. So this can make sure the user choose the action they need to take. See if we choose no, and then we exist, and then we open it again. See, we didn't save that, unfortunately. So we must save it by click like what we do here. So let me check if I save it successfully. Yes. Now we can show the clear function. So you see, if we think we didn't like what I'm writing now, and there are a lot of things to delete one by one. So I just can use clear function, which can clear the whole page. And then we have to choose something here. We cannot exist without choosing one of this. So click yes. the whole page will be cleared and only the date information remains. And if we want to go to another day, there are two ways. One is a quick way. It's just go first or go before. Go to the day before, go to the day after by click the arrow button. When go left means go one day before, go right means go one day after. And if we want to go to a day which is far away from the current date, we can use this calendar. We can choose this one for the month, so we can choose from January to December, and we can choose any day in this month. Also, it's the year, so I can choose a random combination. So it's 21, 41, and January and July 3. And if we tap something, I don't even understand, and then I save it. And then this should be saved, even it's far away from today. If I click saved, so hopefully I can remember that date. Yeah, we get it. So let's clear it. So that's all the functions I have made in this application. Now let's move on to the last part, the code walkthrough. This is the code for the login UI, which is this UI. So as we can see, we have a JFrame, we have a JLabel. This is the one label called username. This is one label called password, and this is a JText field to type the username, and this is a password field, which is like, so this won't show, just show dot, not the real information. Also, the JBrowser is the login one. It shows login here. And in order to get the title, I use the super to choose this applications corresponding to here. And set the original size, location, and the layout I'm choosing is the grid bag layout. So these components can scale automatically when they have extra space. And this is a constraints to choose how big and how much I want to scale it. And in order to verify the information, the account, which I only assign one account, so in this method can verify the username, and this can verify the password. Only two fields matched I can access to the next level user interface. If not, gonna show error dialog, which is the wrong password and username. We can go over it again and see if we type something doesn't match the database, we can just show wrong password and the username. So let's go to the next level, user face. So we can talk about this calendar user interface first. So the calendar components is here. These are three JCombo blocks from select called select month, select date, select year. We found here. First, I initialize the select year and have a hash table, so the months will correspond to the day. Say the match. You see, I can figure out how many days in February, how many days in March, how many days in like November. And in every JCombo box, I have the action listener, so they can just update the information in this method. Like I assign a different number of days to different months according to their attributes by use the string array and put them corresponding by the table. And then I connect the JText field to the calendar selection in this class, in this method. This is a method to update the JText field here. So I get the year, month, and the date from the JCombo box, and then here I can get the daily entry, so the specific date, and then I get a string. If the string is not empty and is not none, I will have the I will just pass to this display text, and then in this called input area, I set the text which called from the display by the display text. And then we're gonna talk about the save code, about the code for the save function. So it's here. It's a JButton called save, and add action listener here. So once I click this button, there is an optional pane for the to add the JDialog, and the type of question is question message, and the options yes or no. So only two options will come out. I say it's yes and no. And I set the question to would you like to save the current text? So this question shows here. And then this is a JDialog. You have to confirm. This is the name of the JDialog. It's called confirm your action. It's shown here. And if I choose yes, the value equal to this one. If it's yes option, then I will save the diary, update it. I will do nothing. The similar is a clear button. If I click yes, it's gonna be here. So if it's yes, it will shows the save diary and to select the day and the select day, because I clear all the message, so the only information remain there is just the date. So should only this date will remain. We can have a try again to show this. So after we have something, we saved it, and then we clear it. Only the date information remained. So that's all for the demo, for this demo. Thank you.